Matariki, he kiriata hou e titiro ake ana ki te āhua o te noho a ētahi tāngata I te tonga o Tāmaki Makaurau. O tira, he kiriata ia I tuhi ai, I whakahaerehi ai hoki e tētahi Māori.
When Matariki rises, it's a very special time. Māori New Year, out with the old, in with the new.
Ai ka tika hoki I nā he kiriata hou a kuni ka puta ki nā whare pikitia o te motu.
Matariki, it's a film, it's set in South Auckland over the 5 days leading to the rising of Matariki.
Hey, leave him alone!
Real tough.
And it's a series of 5 different stories that all interweave and overlap. And they're all united by one event, which is there's a Māori rugby league player driving through the back streets of Otara at night, coming back from practice, and he sees a guy getting beaten up, and he stops to intervene. And what happens then sets off a chain of events that link all these different stories.
Nā tēnei uri o te arawa, tēnei kiriata I tuhi I whakahaere hoki.
This was one of the central scenes of the movie, I guess, is out here in Otara markets. It was a really amazing central part of the movie and full of life and colour and fun and music.
Kei te tiro ake te kiriata ki te oranga o te tangata me ona hono-honotana ki nā hurea katoa I te wā o Matariki. He tiro ake ki nā taumahatana, nā wā harikoa hoki.
Wherever we are, whatever situation we're in, whatever crises we're facing, you know, you can choose to stay in that place, or you can choose to say goodbye to where you were and choose to find the way forward to a better place.
There it is, Matariki. Oh, gonna be a big one, eh?
If there's anything I want the audience to take away from the film, I think it's that kind of thing, about rebirth, birth, starting again, and all the things that you do at Matariki time, I think.
When you find no rest, no shelter from the storm above.
You're old enough to go to prison, just like your brother.
Hei te wiki e tū mai nei ka pīrakorako nā whetū o Matariki ki nā whare pikitia hurinoa. Rapare tāwhai, te karere.